Poor dad. He's taking a video.
So you guys, we're putting them out here so they could start charging, because they charge with the sun, but we literally like put them as a hat. Look at how cool this is. I'm going to show you in the night how it goes. And we also got to drill a hole on the bottom of it, because look at this one's my favorite. But then I also got the white pumpkins, and I also got the orange pumpkins. So we're putting them out here to charge, and then we'll see the next step. And then these are the ones I picked up. I'm going to also put them on my Amazon storefront, so in case you want to get them, you can pick them up there. I'll put something just like these. But yeah, these were it. Super simple, and they're right now in the sun trying to get energized for the night. Man, that's gonna be cool. So these are in the front of the house. They're gonna look so cute once they light up. So I'll come back in the night so I can actually show you how they look. And I actually have two of them, and then the other one goes in the front. So we'll see how that looks. Just really quick so you can see how it's gonna look. So here's how they look in the night. You guys, I was right. How freaking cute is this? These are in my front steps, and not only that, look how this lights up as well. So this is from Walmart, and it lights up as well. So that's cute. Let me go check out the back ones. Look at how cool these light up.
Let me see if this works. Let me see something.
Oh, they do. Look at, they have this one. This one is cool, and they have the white skeleton. Look at guys, they have them in pink as well. You guys, this is our great finds, and they are $2 each at Walmart.